right, good evening and welcome to Obed TV here on YouTube. And we have a very serious issue that we are going to discuss. It's about Gates Asante Kotoko. Issue says Asante Kotoko Gate, especially with the e-ticket. And on common yababidi. Tintin details yababidi e-ticket and home common. That was Obed TV. We've talked about trusting the process, which we'll do later when it comes to Ogum and the game plan. But so far, Kotoko back-to-back wins. And it appears that 3 home matches are Asante Kotoko Abono. Apart from issues that were happening on the field, there's another angle. He demanded critical attention. I see to call for the necessary changes. And yes, I am boa. Asante Kotoko no. Sika do Asante Kotoko enya ewo gate through the e-ticketing process. And one way or the other, watching the number of spectators at Bawumia Sports Stadium to watch Asante Kotoko matches clearly, or to compare the amount of the number of personalities or spectators are officially purchasing ticket through the e-ticketing platform now, we realize that this is a major problem that should be discussed. This is Obed TV, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Now let's go straight to the issues and let's state it as it is. E-ticketing, digitization for our Krumhan, Mokofa by except but they fix problems. You know, the various sectors or authorities, Harbour, DVL, electricity, we introduce digitization in one, more person but they fix it corruption. That is the first thing that you want to fix. 2, more person more fix it, more introduce proper accountability. More fix it corruption. Now accountability no so solid, because in this case, say you use the digital platform, na recorded. Loopholes na Guru boys pay your money, you are trying to block it. So now all payment will be made through the official platform, will go straight to the right pocket. 2, accountability say that is where you guys are introducing this digitization. 3, to create comfort and easy access. I mean, digitization yaba. And to say Ghana Premier League, let's narrow it to e-ticket now. Corruption at the end, say obi traffic ticket in town this candy. Until no block corruption, no. Say nipa ba kube ura gate no na as the ticket no. And your right ticket. Now once be a black market there. Now or town no. You wanted to fix that. Until you know to platform no swap. Oba na dey actually a specific code. Your ticket code near scanning and near mobile or one code. So with one code it fixes corruption. That is why I'm doing e-ticket in yaba. 2, accountability near say nipa 10 etoya omoto 10 cedis ye ba ye bisa nipa 10 eto 10 cedis into omusika na yesen na makia. So there is proper accountability. And say ticket dia bono bia to say na ye hu say na ye say obitimi yetimi ton wie ne masa ko print bi on chenom dia ba say we mu ya nto na say accountability na heading. By the way, the nipa 10 eto 100 and into 1,000 Ghana ye ba ni ababeje. Into accountability, easy access. Say mobeboa uti feel crowd to be top into mediq be also embe print top last minute to buy our top. You wanted that easy access and that comfort. So in my comfort of my room, I can buy a ticket. I can buy a ticket maybe Wednesday when the match is, even on Sunday. Drew Stadium, these are some of the reasons I'm over catcher and I'm the e-ticket in there to encourage the game, to help the clubs. The clubs uncle printed tickets because e-ticket in there uncle printed by 1,000 tickets. We near top 500 now the akankasa your car on used tickets your car. No, with e-ticketing there's nothing like unused tickets. Enti mu di ni nyina buy, and it sounded very sweet. We felt it was going to change things. But let's call the spade a spade. The challenges that we were having, mu e-ticket and sembaya, mountain and ye no matter double the challenges. Now my hands corruption. The accountability is not going well for the clubs. And easy access and comfort now. Most first clubs amount for bus stadium or delight so ten. So let's create that easy access and comfort. What the crowd are saying, your e-ticket and saying, and it looks like after a year, you are not making any improvement, or you are not even putting in measures to change things. You challenges way, so let's put in measures to fix those challenges to make it better than the old system. Matia than mapping maybe after. Multiple creative monetization, they don't go for team say we can now watch matches, buy tickets like this, But that was what you guys wanted to achieve. It appears that the real problem that was on the ground, the non fixing. Now let's look at corruption. They say Obi Ba, Obed system na jam won't mean to ticket. They cannot buy the ticket. People come to the stadium and they cannot buy the ticket. So first, corruption and now person more flexible. Now the person cannot buy the ticket. So when one so be a catch and the tia, me am a tashim. Or pentoma koshe ball plus wati obi. Especially when it gets to the last stage. One time a ticket in Jamia, probably 1 hour to the time now jamming. Obu 30 from 30 minutes ago they are now saying. Just obo kremba. And with the most of the fans, they say omo bantem. Because there's not major source of entertainment or venue. And you go over 5:30, no Abedu Stadium, morning at 6. So e-ticketing started. Me can't set ticketing no now go for Bugate. But check the number of times I hear about 12 gamer amount for Bugate. Blasters me go for Bugate. Kotoko has go for Bugate. Kotoko ne Karela last season go for Bugate. That supporters needed to come with an idea. It's okay, fine. When the police for beach, now do the first scanning tomb. That is how far the e-tickets in the Ababe drew. And now the problem that we're facing. Problem na ni facing and one in face. They say e-tickets in here be do level or be do a scatter a polybag near Manako. So the corruption that this e-ticketing and digitization was coming to fix a triple. Me say obi do stadium on me get ticket no. No use card the amount of money na me pentamako. Or pentamako because the focus is on the match. The Kotoko, most of them are not interested in say sikane be kon dey news we tia we ye na afam dey okwa hebon. So the corruption has been tripled. So now look at the number of people at the stadium compared to the number of people that are taking through the e-ticketing platform. And you don't need to be who in yabo for confirm so back at say corruption no I feel more p so cool. And I'm the body abano. I'm on trend on ye no. Because you speak to people outside and they tell you, yes, I'm going to advance ticket. But the network is so fast to the extent that they know, say, from 1 hour to the game, the best start, Nipa will be the better ticket in that time. They know, say, Nipa will be guso until apart from, say, ticket in Ankasa, why won't mean to a platform, so why would to a scanning mantem, a code name mantem, code need to buy later. Ube drew also no more scanning, so now, so I jam. The scanning of the tickets will also jam. But Abruche, I'm introducing that digitization and advanced ticket. I'm making sure say, oh, to out to be turn in time. I do a time I hear scanning because that is the most important part. The scanning is there to fix the corruption. So if the scanning cannot be done, and there's a corruption there, it was. But do all scanning and scanning. Ask the NSA workers. And you have more or more ticket. O scanning and scan. Nipa no so the code nature until then abe. You have some money pan with them. Because sometimes the pressure here bomb also last minute and nothing. If you have no choice, so many pan with them. And corruption have not been fixed. It has not been fixed. Check the number of people at the stadium. Check the number. Sika ebeko club ni bottom. Now check it ebeko nkofu bottom. Dream. And my baba shanekena. Mabe hansi the Goro boy system. Nti obi ba or ko baby 20, no am obi 10. yentimi scan ko o de meto ahyem za na nkofo disk. Accountability has been affected because one major source of income for Ghana Premier League clubs is through the gate. Inti sa clubs akese na e city no, those are the ones that are suffering no. Clubs na e city no, Accra, Kumasi, Tamale, Cape Coast, omo na ebre. Inti omo so de enu duru ha. Nipa na eba no enam se emmachi the opponent no. Accountability is affected. Because when corruption is enhanced, accountability will be affected. Now the chance the more you cry or yano, the comfort and easy access now the shape will say creating comfort and easy access. Now it's not creating comfort, it's creating discomfort. And there's that easy access is not there. And you know, easy access no, easy access no. Ube do I want to mean chat. The Obe try it means scan it. The Obe try crana code in Bantam. Code in Bantam. And after a year, these complaints, I am consistent and you are not fixing it. Time I'm going to buy challenges never want to say, okay, fine. Let's have an even state. And it's a ticket 10 and you baby. A honor. Yeah, the normal traditional way in nature. Yeah, fanko. Maybe a e-ticket and you introduce maybe a VIP. Was VIP a 50 cedis. Scanner so. Maybe I introduce VIP 50 cedis. You start to home. And on Nipalan doors or sa a crab. Instead, what the bare 5 scanners scrub is where you can satisfy them. And I'm saying VIP no so sa nintino. And my pressure and back. So, thank you to me successfully here, apply with VIP. Then we can start adding the other sectors. Until green stars and VIP. You start with VIP. It means a system named Jame, scanning you could problem on back. Okay. Then we move to green stars. Near the green stars account. Until after about 2 years, no, most can take it all over. I've been ticket in a but preoccupy when they bet to Obama. We also not have time. We will criticize it from now. Senke kakranka kra beka so omo ye ne kakranka ntie nyire nya abotre with time the big group but mo take decision ne prekope bam ye de aba mpo e-ticketing and then ye use ye le propaganda sa fry propaganda tantan bi sa fry say the air blasters match akoyi why ye nyire nim say blasters match on boutique gate mienu but they say the air blasters match akoyi and the Ghana Premier League class and blasters ye timi the air and the Ghana Premier League class the anything say but blasters money to say at the point na pressure about gate amount for top omu code to the extent that omu decided say oko app no so ye see atoma stadium ma dia and the NSA for the be free games will be embassy because the pressure was too much for the Ghana police and the pressure was too much for the staff at the gate. Their life was at stake. Jomu be to mobile go free. Fast forward when the Ghana Premier League clubs come. The necessary changes. System ni jamio for over a year. System ni jame moons sebe. Nyansani ni bia fan fixes ade na de bia jame no muhunda. De bia jame ana nkofo tikoko, nkofo bokro no nkofo festikadi. No starting free VIP on kakra monye VIP ni ahe ekoyi na what were the challenges, are we fixing the challenges, are we moving forward ni a free VIP maybe a move from VIP near the bia yellow stars account kakra to be you know just say muza ni pe ba stadium we 5,000 ni pe ba baba against the Diana 5,000 she VIP ho. I recorded the video myself and I'm posting it. VIP one bro 5,000. Yellow stance. So person who's a Kotoko bobo na nipa ba green because green be or how much is who are we now try within 10 minutes with me can we say nipa be 55 let green stance. But this time around green stance they were more than 200. Until red they don't go there. And someone about VIP. For occupant tertiary for the count or count. We know that people will enter the gate free, but most often, so we check here, a best 70% chia, 30 free, 70% be chia. But now, about 40% in the tier. The others will pay 40% don't be tree about clubs no, but the others will pay. It will go to people's pocket because they are starting ball now. Nipa be attention about field no so. Monitoring what is going on in the field. You nipa kakra bi ne betu mo so dem na navigate. Where we all know say yes starting ball now. Eya hwe red horn na hwe VIP ho. Before kick off, we record it. Not 10 minutes later, say record. Na hwe spaces are failing. So the 10 minutes between kickoff and 10 minutes one. Nipa e ba nya se to nipa no wati e ka kete no ho yira no ba muntimi fix it sa ade wi na mo de tikroma na 77 mo ye rough kire e time na munjai fix it. So Obed TV, and you know what one thing that is even fun. Almost 5% it was cancelled. Ego say then almost 5% it was cancelled. And their deduction is on the gross. Tomoto the aircraft first. Zani abete tax, ya abete military for Zana club never be net, no club ne NSA abete net no. And so you are not improving the system. I don't have a problem with the system. The system came to fix the problems we are having. Hallelujah. The system never fix your problems and keep it out. But system never compound your problems. No, most of them are there. It's one money about into one a movie. I are there now. Yeah, they're bomb basso. Now, me who more than one sister, Namonia,